The Drone Money-Making Tips book serves as a comprehensive guide for individuals who aim to monetize their drone skills and venture into the unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) industry. Written by Brian Halliday, the book is the fifth installment in a popular series focused on drones, and it offers valuable information to help readers increase the profitability of their drone businesses. The book explores various sectors within the UAV industry, providing insights on how to find a profitable niche that aligns with the reader's interests and business goals. It also offers practical tips on how to become a specialist in the chosen field, secure jobs within the UAV industry, develop a client base, and increase brand exposure and awareness. Additionally, the book provides guidance on building an email list and discusses fast money-making opportunities within the drone industry. Priced at $3.49, the book has received a review score of 3.9 out of 5, based on 17 reviews, indicating that many readers have found it helpful and informative.